The perks of day 2 at Grace Hopper.
God, I look so ugly.
I know.
Isn't this cute? It's like beauty.
Brain Beauty. Where's that? Oh, Intuit?
Intuit. I'm like, give me a job.
Anything and everything industry related, so there's not really a company that you get to work for, which is
That 4K close-up slow-mo.
How do you tighten it? Like that. That doesn't make it tighter. Well done.
Yeah, oh yeah, it'll be more.
Yeah, we'll save you some time. I'll talk to you.
We're all from Texas A&M, so.
Texas A&M.
So we could ask you. So we want to know, how'd you come up with the name? How'd you come up with that name? Because that's so like ingenious, right? Like Twitter and birds tweet.
We looked in the dictionary.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Twitter was in the dictionary?
Yeah. It means a short, inconsequential burst of information in terms for birds.
Oh wow. Okay, for the next startup, we're opening up a dictionary. Nice.
Going to a random page and just like, here it is.
What about Square?
Square also found in the dictionary. And our original name was Squirrel.
Squirrel?
Because we wanted something that indicated something physical. But it didn't feel right, so we looked at the SQs and we went down and found Square. And we found the phrase, the reason I chose this because square up, which means to pay, and then fair and square. So there's all these amazing, and then the square table is where commerce happens. It's a very, when you say the name, you visualize something, which was, we can make the shape of our hardware into that, and then it became very top of mind and easy to carry and order out to. The first 2 years were really, really tough, but now it feels like one job, so I don't think about 2 companies, it's just one. I have one job. 2 different projects.
Oh, so
I played violin one night.
okay.
So it's
Okay.
and there was a math major, so it's an integral. It's the shape of a clavicle.
Picture time.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Here, I can go down.
You're drinking your head. It's actually really, really good. Like, how long did you have to wait for that?
There's all those people that put their faces in my purse. You have to get the dude take a picture of your face. I need a face put on coffee. But it took like... We're using like a full face makeup like on coffee.
I broke it. How do you? Oh, just kidding. Shut up. Look at me.
All you need is a blank canvas in the back so you can put an Instagram tag on it.
What do you mean?
There was like a pun on millennials on Instagram posts.
Okay, I'm sorry, but I didn't spend money on this.
Yet.
Why would I? But now every time I go to Disney.
Oh yeah, because you're totally going to pack that in your luggage and you're going to go to Disney frequently.
Yes, I will remember. Potentially. Shut up.
Does it do anything? Alright, okay. So I get this one, you'll give me that. Alright, sounds good. Alright, that concludes party number 1. We have a Snapchat gift bag. Off to Twitter.
Seniors looking for a full-time job. Seniors, y'all should be around. Let's go, seniors! Thank y'all for coming.
Let's gather the cheers.
Cheers.
To myself.
Let's gather the cheers.
Every single day?
Every single day.
Let's giggle.
Every single day.
Alright, do one. Alright, let's go, let's
Do
go.
when we get on the first floor.
Bro, my ears are popping.
6.
Oh yeah, mine didn't.
Are you sure they're not popping?
4.
My ears are hopping.
2. 1.
What?
Alright.
Alright, let's go. Aggies, commit. Let's go.
Gotta press it.
It's not working. I can only put 2.
Wait, that's lame.